Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Chirodia Classes. I am Raj Chirodia. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for showing so much love to our vlog 1. In this video, I am going to unbox something different. I am going to unbox this. Now you guys might be wondering what's this. Don't worry, I would not test your patience. So let's check out. Thank you. So guys, this is the package that we have got. This is a Zebronics keyboard and mouse set. It's called as Transformer. I got this from Amazon for $1,200. It costed me $11.99. So approximately $1,200 it costed me. Let's check out what are the contents inside. Okay. So guys, as you can see, we have unveiled it. This is the Zebronics keyboard and mouse set. It's called as Transformer. So let's check out what are the inner contents like. So guys, this is something that we get in this package. This is a user manual that you would get along with this keyboard and mouse set. Let's keep it aside. This is the keyboard that we would get. And this is the mouse that we get from Zebronics. Nothing else, as you can see. So let's examine what are the specifications like. If I have to talk about this keyboard is quite very heavy. It's very sturdy. It looks good. It's not built of some ordinary plastic. And these keys, although it's not a mechanical keyboard, but it gives the same feeling. This wire is 1.8 meter length, and these keys have a life cycle of 80 million life cycle. This is the mouse that we get. It feels very good with left and right click. We have got forward button and backward button. Now guys, the main part of this keyboard is it comes with RGB lighting. Yes, it comes with RGB lighting. You get 3 different color combinations of RGB lighting and 1 off mode. So guys, as you can see, this is made of aluminum body, and you have got stands like this so that you can place it at your own will. Guys, if I have to talk about this keyboard, it has got 104 keys. Yes, it has got 104 keys, and this is a braided cable with 1.8 meter length. If I talk about the mouse, it's a 3200 DPI USB interface mouse. And the specific thing about this mouse is whenever it lights up, it has got a breathing LED in it, which looks very gorgeous if you plug it in with your laptop or desktop, whatever you are using. So guys, let's see how it glitters in the dark. The RGB lighting, which is the very first and foremost characteristic specifically for gamers. Let's check it out, how it looks like in the dark mode, in the complete dark. It's RGB. So guys, this is something that looks very cool, very funky. Look at the RGB lighting. And not to forget, look at this breathing light of the mouse of Zebronics. It looks good, na? It looks very good. If you are a gamer and you are playing in dark. And more specifically, this keyboard comes with 3 RGB lightings, and you can change the color to this, and then 1 off mode. So as you can see, you can change the color also. And with a desktop or a laptop, you can attach it in this way, and you can have all the fun. So guys, this was all about this product. If you really did like this video, do give this video a thumbs up so that it really motivates us. Do share it with all your friends. Do comment below on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Chalo, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. Love you all.